Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you're all doing great in your life. So my name is Anikriti Lamania. So today's video is all about my 5 a.m. mindful, spiritual or peaceful routine. I've been following this routine for quite a long time and it has literally changed my life in so many ways. So I thought why not I share my routine with you guys, so you guys will also find this morning routine super useful.
I usually wake up at 5 in the morning. I start my day by chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra first thing in the morning, and chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra give inspirations and I become optimized and motivated.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. So a moment with morning prayer really gives you that strength to go through the whole day, and morning prayer also keeps your mind calm and happy.
After that, I make my bed. Making my bed makes me feel more productive, more focused, and more organized. Making your bed each morning promotes calm, emotional regulation, and productivity. After I finished making my bed, I brush my teeth. Next, I drink warm water first thing in the morning. Warm water is very good for your body. It is great for detoxification, it improves blood circulation and better digestion.
And then I find a quiet and nice place with some cushions and some light coming through the window, and I just sit down to do my meditation process. I usually start doing meditation by chanting Om Mantra. I just sit down, relax my body, keep my body straight, focus my mind on myself, took a deep breath and start chanting my Om Mantra. Chanting of Om Mantra purifies the environment around you and create more positive vibrations. After doing my Om Mantra chant, I start doing my pranayam by deep breathing. It really calms my mind. It is very good for focus and self-awareness.
I do it like for 5 to 10 times. Few deep breaths, just inhale and exhale. Pranayam is the practice of controlling your breathing in yoga. The goal of this practice is to connect the body with the mind.
Pranayam focus on self-awareness, self-realization. It actually takes you to that spiritual path, and it actually promotes relaxation and mindfulness.
Few of the pranayams which I do are Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika Pranayam, Brahmari and Kapalbhati. Pranayam also helps you to grow spiritually. It calms your mind by muting the unnecessary chatter going at the back of your head. The yogic breathing technique like Bhramari Pranayam and Bhastrika Pranayam especially have positive effects on the facial skin. After I finished doing my pranayams, I do meditate for like half an hour. And spiritual meditation is an experience that takes you to the depths of who you are. Spiritual meditation makes you realize the eternal truth, and it is more kind of the self-awareness journey. While doing meditation, focus only on your breath. Let the thoughts come and go, but bring back your awareness to your breath.
I started doing my meditation for like 10 minutes, then it went from 10 to 15 minutes, and now I can do the meditation for more than 1 hour. It is kind of, you're making a connection to yourself, you're getting more self-aware about yourself every day, you're connecting to yourself every day, you're understanding yourself on a deeper level. And after doing my pranayam, I do the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra chant for like 5 to 15 minutes. I just sit down and relax, keep my eyes closed, and I just do the namaskar.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. The Hare Krishna Maha Mantra will make you feel alive. It connects you on a deeper level with God. After I finished doing my pranayams and meditation process, I take 1 cup of milk in the morning and just sit back and read few books. I read Srimad Bhagavad Gita every morning for like an hour. It is one of my favorite books to read every day. It brings peace in your mind and in your life. It kills self-doubt and makes you strong. After I finished reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita, I'm currently reading this wonderful book. It's called Reflections by Swami Vivekananda. If you are ever in doubt, if you have any question in your mind that is bothering you, just go once through this book. Swami Vivekananda has explained everything so beautifully in this book. Then after I finish reading all my books, I just sit down and write my thoughts in my diary. I just sit down and write all the thoughts that comes into my mind and all the things I'm grateful for in my life. After I finish reading my books, I have breakfast. In the breakfast, I usually take fruits. A good breakfast actually helps you to keep your mind and body healthy. It makes you happy, it makes your body happy, and you feel super energized the whole day. So it is very important to focus on what food you intake.
There is a saying in our Hinduism कि अगर आप अच्छा आहार लेते हैं तो आपका दिमाग और शरीर दोनों स्वस्थ होगा. आहार का मतलब होता है the food we are eating, the food we intake every day. So keep your body more energized, taking more fruits, more green vegetables, and it will also relax your mind, keep you away from the negativity and all the negative vibrations. your body actually feel more positive each day. This is kind of a practice you have to do every day. If you do this for like 1 month, it will ultimately and automatically become a part of your day, become a part of your life. So my life has literally changed a lot. I am more calm, I'm more peaceful. I do not stress a lot. Most of the time I'm just happy. This morning routine made a huge difference in my life. How I got into meditation and pranayam. When I was in school had this rule that we have to do the meditation, the pranayam, the yoga every morning for 1 hour. That's how I got into meditation. And I was in my yoga team in my school, and I was the most flexible person in my team. The flexibility is still there, but I'm not as flexible as I was in the school. So that's how I started my meditation and yoga journey. So that's all about my 5 a.m. routine. If you guys want to see more this kind of video, how to form a healthy habit and how to feel more positive and more happy all the time in your life, do let me know. And I hope that this video is really helpful to you, or if you pick up one good habit from this video, please let me know. I will be very happy for you guys. So if you guys find this video very helpful, please go and like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you all in my next video. So yeah, bye.